Hi everyone, my name is Norma Corrado, and today we are going to talk about color theory in a very didactic and easy to understand way. Take advantage and subscribe to the channel. I will use Pentel watercolor to demonstrate color theory, but you can use any brand you want, as it will work just as well. The colors used are red, blue and yellow. A little bit of practical theory in a simplified way. Color theory is the study of the perception and harmonization of colors. Colors are impressions of light bands captured by the eyes. So black is the absence of color or light, and white is responsible for creating light. Hue is the hue of the color. Tone is the amount of light present in the color, and can be light or dark. Intensity is the presence of brightness in the color, and can be the color weak or strong. We have three main color scales. They are CMYK, composed of the colors cyan, magenta, yellow and black. This scale has colors with pigments used in printing. RGB, composed of the colors red, green and blue. These are colors used in monitors with light incidence. OAB, composed of the colors red, yellow and blue. These are primary pigmented colors used in plastic arts. In this study we will talk about the RYB scale. The chromatic circle is composed of primary, secondary and tertiary colors. Primary colors are pure colors because they cannot be obtained by mixing other colors. There are three primary colors. Blue, many people use cyan. I will leave the link to download the template used in the video description. Yellow. Red would be more magenta. Secondary colors is the union of two primary colors in the same proportion. There are three secondary colors. Green, obtained by mixing blue and yellow. Orange, obtained by mixing yellow with red. Violet, obtained by mixing blue with red. Tertiary colors are obtained by mixing a primary color with a secondary color, originating 6 tertiary colors. Blue-green is obtained by mixing blue with green. Yellow-green is obtained by mixing yellow with green. Yellow-orange is obtained by mixing yellow with orange. Red-orange is obtained by mixing red with orange. Red-purple is obtained by mixing red with violet. Blue-purple is obtained by mixing blue with violet. You must be wondering, why only 6 tertiary colors and not 9 tertiary colors? The answer is, because when we mix colors that are on the opposite side of the color wheel, which are called complementary colors, they always create neutral colors. Try this exercise at home and tell me in the comments. Mix red with green. Mix blue with orange. Mix violet with yellow. Tell me what colors you got. Seems like magic. But whenever we mix complementary colors, they tend to cancel each other out and create a shade of brown or beige, in other words, neutral colors. Neutral colors are composed of gray, black and white, and all possible shades and intensities, forming various shades of beige and brown. Tonal value or brightness is the amount of light and shadow that we see in a color. Tonal value is very important to give the sensation of depth. When we do not use tonal value in the visual arts, the image looks wrong to our eyes, as if it were flat on paper without depth. In watercolor, to work on tonal value, we add more or less water to the matrix. In other techniques, we add the color white or black. An example is Baroque art, which use tonal value a lot, as we see in the work of Caravaggio. Color temperature. This is a term created by Wilhelm Wundt, which takes into account human sensations when perceiving colors. Warm colors transmit the sensation of heat, are associated with fire and light, range from red to greenish yellow. Warm tones stimulate joy, enthusiasm, vivacity, energy, and disposition. Cool tones transmit the sensation of cold, are associated with water. Cool tones are associated with introspection, serenity, tranquility, and the feeling of relaxation. Range from purple-red to green. Neutral colors are not associated with sensations, as they have little light reflection. We will use the color gray to better illustrate saturation. Saturation represents the purity or intensity of the color. What makes a color more or less saturated is the amount of gray added to it. Just a pause here. For this demonstration, I should have started with the color red and gradually added the color gray. I did it the other way around. At home, do it the right way to properly understand what saturation is. The greater the amount of gray in the red color, the more opaque it becomes and the lower the degree of saturation. And the less gray, the more vibrant and vivid the color, therefore the greater the saturation. About the harmonization of colors with each other. Color harmony. It is used to harmonize chromatic arrangements. For this we have complementary colors. These are colors that are opposite on the color wheel. These colors present a lot of contrast. Analogous colors. These are colors that are close to each other on the color wheel. Note that analogous colors share the same color. Divided complementary colors. These are two opposite colors divided. When used together, these colors are less vibrant than analogous or complementary colors. Triangular or triad colors. This is the result of three equidistant colors on the color wheel. Square colors or 90-degree harmony. These are four colors that form a square. These are vibrant colors because they are combinations of complementary colors. Rectangular colors. This combination uses analogous colors to form a rectangle of vibrant colors. I hope I have helped you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will be happy to answer them if I know the answer. Enjoy, subscribe to the channel, comment, like and share. These small actions help me a lot. Thank you.